Today, we're going to actually bring a cable that's made for Apple products, of course. So we have a USB Type A to actual Lightning Bolt DP. So we're going to take a look at it, see what you get when you get something like this. So the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so I was very surprised. I actually got three of them. Instead of one, you get three. So this is a plus for the manufacturer to not send one. I only saw one in there, and I was thinking, okay, it's just one single cable. But this, for the price of it, it's not bad. They give you three. So I have kids that are always losing these devices. It's good to have three of them in hand. I mean, one of them is okay, but when you have three, this is a perfect item. So they're not that bad. The cables itself, they're basic. They look exactly like the identical to the Apple ones. And we're gonna open one up if you guys can see. I'm gonna put it up close right now, and nothing changes. It's the same lightning speed as the other. You got your Apple connection, your Lightning connection, and then your USB Type A, of course. It does have a little indentation here for the actual grabbing of the actual cable and pulling it out. But other than that, they're nice little cables. They have that flexibility in the corner, so you won't break them. They have that extra pattern right here. So because a lot of times when you're actually with the cables bending, this is where they actually break, and it doesn't have enough support on the regular ones. On this one, they actually have that little extra bump in there. So this is not bad. So I just wanted to show you guys the actual manufacturers, that they're not only sending you one, but they actually send you three. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.